Hi everybody, I'm Amber Warren. I'm a physician assistant at FMI Center for Optimal Health in Eagle, Idaho. It's Sunday afternoon, January 7th. Happy New Year. I'm here to talk about something I'm gonna be embarking on in the next 5 days. I'm gonna be doing a fasting mimicking diet or nutrition plan to help myself metabolically reset and detoxify after the holidays. So this wonderful company, Prolon, created this 5-day kit, and it is a 5-day nutrition plan that gets your body into a state of a fasted state. So we're helping to get the body into a state of ketosis and autophagy, which autophagy is just kind of a term for cellular rejuvenation, your body eating the bad cells and making more room for the good. So this is a low protein, low carb, higher fat nutrition plan, right? To help keep your body in that state of ketosis. Now I'm looking to get the benefits of basically a 5-day water fast. Now that is a little intimidating for me. I don't want my hormones to crash. I don't want my adrenals to crash. I want to keep my body nourished and make sure I'm getting good nutrients in my body because I'm not insulin resistant. I'm not looking for a lot of weight loss. Again, I'm looking for metabolic improvement to my body and detoxification improvement. So let's take a peek at what this looks like. It's a kit, and in each kit comes all 5 days. So if we were to just take a peek at like day 2 here, which is where you start getting into some of the fat burning and ketosis, it comes with a special drink that helps keep your cravings at bay and keeps you nutritionally sound. And then we've got some different minerals, multivitamins, herbal teas to help again with some of those cravings and hunger feelings. Green olives, there's some bars in here, soups that I've heard are actually pretty good. There's black bean, minestrone, butternut squash soups. So I'm really looking forward to this. I hope you'll be interested in at least following my journey, and if not, joining me. We sell these kits at our wellness centers at all 3 of our locations for $155, which when you break it down into 5 days, per day, that's pretty reasonable for a whole day's worth of meals. So please consider joining me and purchasing a kit to look for some of these different benefits. And thanks so much for following me along.